Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about CBSE Class 11 Informatic Practices Unit 1 Introduction to Computer System. In that, the topic is what is software and types of softwares. But before going to that, a small request. Those who are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now let us see the concepts, what is software and types of softwares in this video. Now let us see. Here we have what is a software. See here, the set of instructions are referred to as software. That means software is nothing but a set of instructions we are calling as software. And second point, it is that component of a computer system which we cannot touch or view physically. That means this software, we can't touch physically, we can't see and we can't touch physically. That is we are calling as a software. That means a software is nothing but a set of instructions is called as a software, and for this software we can't see and we can't touch physically. That is we are calling as the software. The computer software and hardware complete any tasks together. That means if we want to do any task on the computer means, so definitely we need two things. One is software and one is hardware. Okay, so with these two we can complete the task in the computer. That means with software and hardware both together we can complete the task in the software. We know that hardware is nothing but what we can see and touch, like monitor, keyboard, mouse. But whereas what is software means we can't see and we can't touch. That is we are calling as the software. Here are some examples are there for software. Suppose operating systems like Windows 7 and Windows 10. LibreOffice Writer or Microsoft Word or VLC Player. So these all are the well-known softwares. Okay, so operating system like Windows 7, Windows 10, we know that. MS, Microsoft Word, we know that. VLC Player, we know, and LibreOffice Writer also we know. So these all are the examples for the software. Okay. What is the need of this software? Let us see. What is the need of this software? We cannot talk or instruct the hardware of a computer directly. That means what is meant by hardware? What we can see and touch. For example, monitor, a keyboard, a mouse. These all we are calling as hardware. So directly we can't deal with the hardware. Definitely we need a software. Okay, hence software acts as an interface between human users and the hardware. For example, suppose I want to open something in the computer with the mouse. So suppose if I click on the mouse, it will not open. So whenever we install software in our computer system, that is operating system, then only mouse will open whatever we want. That means this software acts as an interface between human users and the hardware. So whenever we install the software in our computer, so then only all the peripherals like mouse, keyboard, so monitor, all these will activate for doing the task. So that's why the software acts as an interface between the human users and the hardware. That means we cannot talk directly, we cannot deal directly with the hardware. So whenever we install software, so automatically that software instructs all the peripherals, means mouse, keyboard, for all that hardware. This software instructs what work they have to do. So that's why it is a acts as an interface between human users and the hardware. And the next one is types of softwares. Types of softwares here. Listen here. Types of softwares. Here we have system software and application software. The first one is system software and the second one is application software. Now let us see about what is system software. Okay. A system software knows how to operate and use different hardware components of a computer. That means what is system software? A system software is nothing but this software will activate all the components or peripherals of the computer. Okay, how to operate, which operation should mouse do, which operation that keyboard have to do, all these instructions will be given by this system software. See here, the examples for system softwares are operating systems, system utilities and device drivers. Okay, right. Let us see the examples. First one, operating system. In system software we have three. Let us see what is operating system. See here, as the name implies, operating system is a system software that operates the computer. That means, so whenever we install OS or operating system in the computer, so then only computer will start work. Otherwise computer will not work. So that's why in the, as the name implies, operating system is a system software that operates the computer. So unless or until if we install the OS in the computer, then only the computer starts working, then only the computer operates. See here the second point, without operating system other softwares cannot work. That means, suppose we have brought a new computer, branded Dell computer. Okay, I want to, that is a new branded computer, I want to play games in that computer. I want to play games in that computer. So before installing games in that computer, we have to install the operating systems. So then only, so we can install some other softwares in our computer. But without operating system, this software, without this software, so we cannot operate some other softwares in our computer. That is the meaning of this one. Without operating system, other softwares cannot work. That means after purchasing a new computer, first and the foremost point is we have to install the operating system in our computer. So after that, we can install any software like Microsoft Word or Excel or Tally or games, whatever we want. See here, examples for operating system software is Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, Macintosh, Android. This is the mobile software operating system, Android. So in today's world, so all are using smartphones. In that the operating system is Android operating system. So iOS, etc. These all are the operating system softwares. I'll show you one example. See here. See, so whenever we are taking a new computer means, so this is the CD of operating system. See here. See, Windows 7 it is. Like that we have Windows 10, Linux, whatever we have seen now. So this is the DVD of Windows 7. So we have to install the CD in our computer. That means this is the operating system software that is of Windows 7. So like that in market we have Windows 10, XP, so many operating system softwares are there. So we have to install this software, whatever there in this DVD, so in our computer, then only this mouse, keyboard, CPU and monitor will start working. Okay, so this is about the operating system. Okay, right. So the next one is, in system softwares, the next one is system utilities. What is system utilities? See here, software used for maintenance and configuration of the computer system is called as utilities. That means, suppose we have purchased a new computer. To start that computer, first of all we have to install the operating system. Okay, fine. But we are running the computer. Whenever we are running the computer, so we have to maintain that computer. For that, see, some utilities are there. Some system utilities are shipped with the operating system. That means, see here, suppose we have installed Windows 7 or Windows 10. The foremost point is, for a new computer or any computer, we have to install first operating system, right? With that operating system only, some system utilities will come. See here, disk defragmentation, formatting utility, system restore utility. So these all are come with that operating system only. So the purpose of this system utilities is for maintaining the computer. Suppose we have to disk defragmentation is there, for example. So if anything happens in the hard disk, okay, so at that time we have to go for disk defragmentation. That means if we want to run our computer properly, so we have to maintain the computer properly. So for that some utilities are there: disk defragmentation, formatting utility, system restore utility. So these all utilities are come along with the operating system only. Okay, and some other system utilities are there. That, see here the point, the other system utilities which are not shipped with the OS but are required to improve the performance of the system. Suppose we have purchased a computer, after 1 year also we want the performance very clearly of our computer. So for that we have to maintain properly our computer. So for that these utilities we have to use, and some utilities are will not come with the OS. Some utilities so will not come with the OS. Let us see. See, for example, see here. So we are running a computer since from 1 year, means some there may be a chance for attacking viruses to our computer. So that's why we have to go for antivirus software. That means we have to install antivirus in our computer, and the disk cleaner tool, disk compression softwares. If we use all these system utilities, then only our computer will run in a good condition. The performance of our computer is in good condition. Okay, but these whatever we are discussing here, these will not come along with the operating system. So we have to install by externally these system utilities. Okay, and the next one is device drivers. Device drivers is nothing but, see here, as the name signifies, the purpose of a device driver is to ensure proper functioning of a particular device. The device driver acts as an interface between the device and operating system. Now let us see what is device drivers. Well, this I will give one example. See here. See here. This is the computer. So this is the computer. Okay. To start this computer, compulsory I have to install this Windows. That means this is operating system software. Yes, I have installed this. Now I am doing a work on my computers. After some days, what happened? I have purchased a printer. After some days, I have purchased a scanner. Okay. Now here we are talking about the device drivers. Okay, right. So after bringing this printer, we are connected to our computer. What happens? It will not give the print whenever. Okay. After some days, we have connected scanner also to our computer, but when it is going for scanning, it is not doing that job. So what is the problem means? See here. So whenever we are attaching a new device to our computer, along with that device, see here, this is a Canon printer. Okay, along with the device, one DVD will be there. So what is the DVD means? This DVD contain information about this computer. So first of all, while we are connecting this device to our computer, so we have to install this DVD in our computer. After that only we have to connect the printer. Scanner also same. So then only the scanner or printer will work. That means here this DVD is called as the device driver. Okay, so if you without installing this device driver, if you connect this computer or scanner or some other device to your computer, means it will not work. So definitely if you are attaching a scanner or if you are attaching a printer to our computer, means along with the devices some DVDs will come, that we are calling as the device drivers, and this device drivers contains information about that particular devices. So first of all we have to install these devices in our computer. After that only we have to connect these devices to computer. So at that time it will work. Okay. Okay, so this is about what is a software and types of softwares. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.